Welcome back, eSIM Studios. We have another unboxing gift for you, video for you today. As I said, it is Pixel release day. Now, I've been using this blue one here, and I can honestly say this is the best feeling phone I've ever used in my life. If you know the best comparison I can give it to you, it's not smooth, it's not rough, it's like in between. Like, again, I'm not going to make this about the blue one, it's about the white one, but let me just tell you, the best comparison I can compare it to is the look or feel of the Spigen case. Actually, the Spigen case is kind of more sandpapery, but it's not smooth. It's just a very independent and design and look and feel that this device has. Absolutely phenomenal. Love this phone. Let's get into the white one. This is the Pixel 8 Pro. It is the white version, 128 gig from the Google Play Store. This is not a carrier device. Let's get in it. Now, if you want to see the unboxing of the blue one, I did do that yesterday. You can just go back to the videos and check that out. But let's get this white one going here for y'all. And after this unboxing, look what else I'm going to do. I got the Pixel Watch 2 here that we're going to unbox. And if you're interested in that video, please check it out. I will post it right after this. So, pretty good. Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh. You know what that white, yep, feels the same as this one. You know what what this reminds me of? Now I'm looking off camera with the naked eye. It looks like the same look and feel as the white S23 Ultra, which is what I'm filming on. But if you know what the white S23 Ultra looks like and feels like, it's exactly like that. Wow. That is phenomenal. Just an absolute classic design. I actually like this off-white a little bit better. And that's the other thing too. Look, it's different than what the box looks like. So if you're looking at the box and you kind of see, I'm not really sure, I don't really like that white. It is a little, it is a few shades different. As you can tell, it's more white. This one is kind of like a cream white. And this one in person looks more like I'm not going to say pearl white because there's no sparkles to it. I would just say it's the best way to describe it is an off-white. It basically matches the S23 Ultra because this S23 Ultra basically looks the same. Now, as I get my light in here, just a very, very good classic white. And you got the white and the blue. Now, the only one we did not get was the black one. But just a very, very classic design. Looks great, feels great. And you get the great flat screen. Oh, another thing I was going to let y'all know. Check this out. You know where the USB Type-C plugs in, right? At the bottom. You see how it's colored? How it's got the white. That's what I like about these two. So inside the USB Type-C port, it's a white colored outside and inside it's white. But check this one out. On the blue one, it's colored blue. I just noticed that just a little earlier. So it's blue on the inside and then blue border plug on the outside. Kind of see it right there. So that's cool. Battery life so far has been excellent on these devices. I've had this one for about 24 hours, been doing some testing and all sorts of stuff, but this white one, just got this in a little earlier, had to finish up some work, and now we're doing the unboxing. But what you can expect from this device is, from inside the box, is we got your USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. So you can take your old phone, wink wink, plug this in here, plug it in your new one, and you can transfer all the data over. You have a USB Type A to USB Type-C. So if you have an old cable that you need to transfer data, or you got stuff on your computer, you can plug this in here and then plug your computer or type A USB cable in there. And then let's see, in the book here, I have your SIM tray ejector tool right in there. And then just got a bunch of legal stuff that nobody ever reads or uses. And we got a ton of SIM tray ejectors all over the house. So that's basically it. You're not getting much these days. You get a cable, and then you're getting an adapter, and then you also get the little booklet that comes with it. So very nice color. We're going to get this set up. We are going to sign into this, get testing on this one. And if you're interested, tomorrow, Saturday, on the 14th of October, we actually have 3. We got 2 whites and a blue. On Saturday, the solar eclipse is passing directly over San Antonio, where we're located. It's going to be a 100% coverage. We are going to record. This should be the only YouTube video of the eclipse. Now, not just of the eclipse, because a lot of people are going to shoot it, but dare I say, we're the only channel that's going to have a full 100%, not partial. This is going to be 100% solar eclipse recorded on nothing but Pixel 8 Pros. We're going to set up one on a tripod and do a time lapse, which is going to look phenomenal. We're going to do regular video on here, which is going to look freaking great. And then we're going to take pictures and do some B-roll shoots with the third Pixel 8 Pro. So we should have the only solar eclipse YouTube video shot only on Pixel 8 Pros. So subscribe to our channel. I am going to unbox this one in a separate video. So please subscribe to our channel, and we will get the look and feel of this guy right here. So I do appreciate you joining us. And that's basically it for this one. Now look, let's go over it real quick. For potential buyers, you got your USB Type-C plug-in here. It is a little faster charging this year. You got speakers down here at the bottom. You also have a speaker up top. They hit it very well, but there is one up in there if you can see it on screen, or you can see it with the naked eye. It's just hard to tell right now. You have volume down, volume up, volume down, volume up, power button. You have a mic up top. Now this little thing right here, that's the 5G antenna band. They stuck an antenna right here. And then you also have another antenna band. So the 5Gs are up here this year. And then these little strips right here, that's more antenna bands for 4G and 5G. But this specific one, I can't remember if it's millimeter wave or the sub-6 is up here. But anyways, that's a antenna. Let's move that away. It's hard to focus. Although, screw it. Let's leave it on the table. Looks nice. So you got your mic up top. You got your antenna band right here. You got some more antenna bands on the side. SIM tray ejector tool. And you have another mic right there. If you can see it right there, that little pinhole, that's a microphone. And then you have some more sensors here. A little sensor off to the right. And you got your 3 cameras on the back. 1, 2, and 3. You got your flash up top. And this is a thermometer sensor right here, infrared thermometer, so you can take temperatures. Very nice design, very classic design. What I like about this phone, right? I've been using this for 24 hours. What I like about this is how you hold it, right? Because you can basically, this little camera bar right here, you can basically rest your finger up against it, and it helps support it. Now, it's not a real slippery. The last year, the 7 series, the Pixel 7 Pro, very slippery. That was a gloss finish, glass back last year. This one, it's still glass, but it's not gloss. It's frost. So we got a frosted glass back. Not that, it's still a little slippery, but not as bad as last year. But this camera hump is perfect, because if you are a Pixel user or you plan on getting one, and you could do this last year with the 7 series, or even the year before that with the 6 series. Just put your finger up there, maybe possibly 2, or you can even rest it up against your finger, kind of like this while you hold it. It just gives you an extra level and just more confidence, right? When you're holding it, makes it easier to hold. Even if you have a case on it, see the cases are even raised a little bit. So even if you have the case on it, you can rest your finger up like that. Let's throw one on here just for shits and giggles. That's the Spigen case, rugged armor. So see, when the camera bar is exposed, you can put your finger up there. It's really easy to use. This is the perfect size. This is a 6.7 inch display. 6.7 inches. This is about the perfect size for a cell phone. My Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra that I'm filming on is like 6.8. It's over 6.8 inches. The old Note 20 Ultra, which I had as well, that's 6.9 inches. These Galaxy Ultras or these Galaxy Notes are ginormous. Now, I love it. This is my, like, I guess you say, quote unquote, my baby. I love my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. I'm always going to have a Samsung. They make the best phone. But Google's right up there. This phone is freaking awesome. These are the best two phones in my opinion. Way better than the iPhone 15, 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max. This Pixel 8 Pro and this Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra are just, in my opinion, head and shoulders above iPhone as far as camera and just operating system. Everything. These are the two best phones you can buy. Now, this is perfect size because I was getting back to the S23 Ultra is a very big phone and it's heavy. Basically like holding a little army tank in your hand. Now, it's durable, feels sturdy, but this one is a little bit smaller on the screen size, but it's just big enough to make it feel like a big phone. And it's lighter. It's lighter than the S23 Ultra, and it's lighter than last year's Pixel 6 Pro. So it's not heavy. You're not going to be chugging it around. If you're in bed reading the news or something and it falls out of your hand, it's not going to break your nose when it hits you in the face. This is the best. Basically, I would recommend this phone to basically anybody, any random person or any iPhone user. What phone? If you want to go away from iPhone, get you a Pixel. You can thank me later. Moving to Samsung. I prefer Samsung because I'm a content creator. I do a ton of editing. Comes with the S Pen, video editing, photo editing. Now, Samsung has a lot more settings, a lot more tweaks, a lot more apps that are loaded onto it. So it can be confusing to some people. But cannot go wrong with a Pixel. And you certainly cannot go wrong with this white Pixel 8 Pro. Just an absolute fabulous design. Classic design that's going to age wonderfully, at least for 7 years, right? Google promised 7 years of updates for this, software updates and security updates. So this is going to be great 7 years. 7 years from now, we're still going to look back and say, damn, those are badass phones. You know, I mean, you can't beat them. I mean, it's just honestly a phenomenal device. Again, I've been using this one for 24 hours. I'm going to start using this one now. It's just great. They hit a home run on this one. 2 thumbs way up. No battery problems. 0 overheating issues. I can honestly tell you, last 24 hours, this phone has never even gotten warm. It's been nice and cool. Now, we get to the real testing. Probably tomorrow or Saturday because that's when we are going to be outside for hours. And it's supposed to be like 90 degrees. So I'll put these bad boys to the test. Subscribe to the channel. We're going to do camera comparisons. We're going to do video testing. We're going to do heat testing. We're going to do app testing. I got the S23 Ultra, so we're going to compare portrait mode, video, portrait, still photos. We're going to do all sorts of stuff. So accessories, we got cases. We ordered tons of cases for these. So if you're a Pixel lover, subscribe. If you're a Samsung lover, subscribe. Even if you're an iPhone user, subscribe, because we don't just cover Android devices. We cover all mobile technology. I cover apps, laptops, Chromebooks, all sorts of cool stuff. So earbuds. So, oh yeah, that reminds me. I am going to do, before I ramble on, we are going to do a giveaway. I do have, hang on. So check this out. I'm going to give these away. AirTags. I know may or may not have some iPhone users here, but even if you're not an iPhone user, let's say your mom or your sister is an iPhone user, win one of these and give them to her. Or you can win one of these and sell it. I don't care. But I'm going to figure out a way to give these away. I want to do it legitimately and make sure I'm, stay within YouTube's terms of service for giveaways and stuff. So I'm going to research that tonight and tomorrow. And we're going to give these away this weekend. So I believe they're like $20-30 brand new. I think this one, I just opened it up. I was going to use these for something and then decided not to use them. So they might be open, but they're never used. So I just opened them up to basically see if I could connect it to an Android device, which again, went back on my plans, but it was too late to return. So I'm just going to give them away. So these are authentic Apple AirTags that I'll be giving away soon. So now you will have to be a subscriber to the channel. So please subscribe, and I will notify you here in the next day or two how to win one of these. All right, y'all. Appreciate the time, and stay tuned for more Pixel coverage. Peace out.